Ang mga higala mayong buntag, mahinabi nato karon ang atong bisita gikan sa 13 Martires sa Cavite. Adunay 16 ka mga grupo sa mga taga Cavite nga niadiri karon sa ato sa Surigao para sa usa ka familiarization tour. And this morning, makakausap natin si Vice Mayor Alvin Mojica ng 13 Martires Cavite. Itatanong natin sa kanila or siya as leader of the group kasi galing na sila ng mga magagandang lugar sa isla ng Siargao at dun pa sa may Pilar at Socorro, General Luna. Kunin natin sa kanya kung ano yung impression niya ng Surigao. Vice Mayor, greetings muna sa mga Surigao na nakikinig sa Abante Surigao program.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan kong Pilipino dito sa Surigao. Ako po si Vice Mayor Alvin Mojica, City Vice Mayor ng 13 Martires City. We saw the TV ad last 3 weeks ago. Nakita po namin sa television and my group was interested and we decided to visit Surigao, specifically the Siargao Islands. I had to call on the governor because the governor is my friend, and that's a good time for me to visit my classmate because quite some time that we didn't see and talk to each other. So I decided to call the honorable governor, your governor, my idol and my classmate, and we set the date and time of our visit. And the governor is requesting us to stay for a longer time, but we have no time. We can't stay here for a long time because our services is needed in our respective LGUs. So we found the island very beautiful. You know, I travel a lot. I visited almost all the places here in the Philippines, but I haven't seen beaches as beautiful as what we saw, what we visited yesterday. We visited the Pansukian Beach, the floating surfing site. We have an island hopping to Cuyam, Daco, and Naked Islands. But I think Naked Island is the most beautiful. And in the afternoon, we go to Magpupungko, tidal flats and rock formations in Pilar. So we experience the magic of Siargao.
Wow.
That is our main objective. The main objective of our visit here is to experience the magic of Siargao. And as I see to my group, we experience the magic. And they are planning to visit Siargao and Surigao again anytime.
Another group na naman.
Yes, but definitely the same group is they are all interested to join me again in visiting the island of Siargao. Sayang nga, masyadong malayo. Kung ito ay isang lapit lang ng mga beaches like Boracay,
Okay lang sana.
Napakalaking ganda nito kasi hindi pa siya highly commercialized, pristine beaches, mga forest natin hindi pa dinulid. So maganda talaga. Kailangan talagang promote. So napakaganda po nung ginawa ng provincial government ng Surigao na national TV ad na nakikita hindi lamang sa buong Manila, kundi sa buong mundo nakikita nila ng Surigao. It's one of the best way to promote your LGUs.
Pero ano bang maganda dun sa Cavite, especially dun sa munisipyo nyo?
Sa munisipyo namin, sa city namin, it is our city. It is a city, the seat of the provincial government, and we call it home of the 13 Martires of Cavite because our city was named under the 13 Martires of Cavite. So we have 13 barangays. We have the attraction there is the golf course. We have one of the most beautiful golf courses in the world, included on the list of most beautiful golf courses outside America. One of the best in Asia and included on the best 100 courses in the world.
So we expect na pagbalik nyo ng 13 Martires, ang dami nyong maikwento doon.
Oo naman, oo naman. At siguro naman pumunta na din siya sa amin. At inaskaso ko naman siya doon. Kaya lang, sobra-sobra tong, kasi siya nagpunta doon, nag-isa lang siya eh. Papunta namin dito, 16
Kayo mas
kami.
marami,
Nakakayari golf. So ako naman, natutuwa din ako kasi nga, ay magkaibigan talaga kami. Pero hindi ko siya ka-level eh.
Pero classmate kayo ng master sa UP.
Yes. We've been classmates for 2 semesters at the University of the Philippines, taking up master's degree in public administration. Yung sa kanya yata, regional government administration, sa akin, local government administration.
So, ibig sabihin na malaki ang naibigay na experience dun sa familiarization tour.
Yes naman, yes naman, yes naman. And we will invite, sinabi ko na kay Governor, we will invite all our constituents there, mga Caviteños na kaya naman na magbakasyon. I think, as far as beaches is concerned, there's no need to go out of the country. The beaches are here.
You can compare it
beaches.
sa sa Boracay.
Yes, I have been to Phuket and to other beaches in Asia, but no much. Their beaches are no much, especially in the naked islands.
Maganda kasi naked eh.
Sana nga, akala ko magne-nake lahat ng mga kasama ko eh. Pero okay lang, okay lang.
Kumusta yung accommodation ninyo?
Very good. The food is good.
And your tourist guide is very...
Yes. I have already invited Romy to Cavite and Bobby. Whenever they go to Manila, please come and visit me in my LGU para makabawi naman. Ikaw din.
Oo, sasama ko kay Romy.
If you go to Manila, just call me and I'll pick up there.
Wow, thank you. Talagang may magic sa nakita nyo dun sa mga islands, no, na napupuntahan nyo. Kasi this is your first time in coming here sa Surigao. Pagdating nyo pa ng airport, ano na yung mga nakita mo ng Surigao?
So when we arrive at the airport, we don't expect that
akala mo puro kahoy, coco trees.
The beaches are so beautiful because we traveled more than 3 hours from Butuan. But on the next time that we will visit, we will fly on Asian Spring.
Para dire-diretso.
Yes.
So ano yung nakita mo sa city? May city tour ba kayo?
Yes, we visited some important and also beautiful places here at the city during the first day. We visited the beaches, the house of my classmate, and the Lipata terminal, the market. The prices are very low, especially fish products, seafood products. Masyadong mura, double as compared to our city. Double the price. So once I think if you're on a right mind, there's no doubt that once you visit Siargao, you will visit Siargao again. It is a must. Once you see the beauty and experience the magic of Siargao, you must visit Siargao and feel the magic again. Hindi ka magsasawa na balik-balikan kahit napakalayo, solve ang biyahe dahil you will really enjoy the place.
So sabi nga, pag naghahanap ka ng magandang lugar para sa bakasyon, ito na, Surigao na daw.
Bakasyon talaga.
So meron pa, gusto mong idagdag dun sa very beautiful vacation, no? Ilang days lang yun, ha?
Yes. Siguro, imbitahan natin yung mga probinsya ko, lungsod ko na kung magbabakasyon lang din sila, dito na.
Ipopromote niya, na?
For them to experience what we have experienced here. We feel and the magic of Siargao, and they must feel the magic of Siargao too. Kasi kung magbabakasyon kayo sa Thailand, sa Indonesia, mas maganda pa dito. Kung beaches at beaches lang ang pag-uusapan.
So meron kang pasasalamatan ka, Vice Mayor?
Siyempre naman, I'd like to thank especially my classmate, my idol, your governor, for being a wonderful host. His staff, Romy, Pen, and all the other staff, Bobby, the driver of the coaster, and all the staff of the tourism office. I would like to thank them from the deepest part of my heart. Thank you very much. And whenever you come to Manila, you please visit me at my LGU, and I will try my best to give you the best accommodation that I can give. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gob. Thank you very much, Gob. Thank you very much.